everybody, I'm back from the grocery store and I'm here with all of the silk. So we're trading our milk for silk this week. So I decided to start off with showing you all the different kinds, and actually there was more at the grocery store than I first thought. So I'll show you all that's here. We have the pure coconut, we have pure almond, and these are all the originals. We have pure soy milk, or the original soy milk. Then we have pure coconut vanilla, pure almond dark chocolate, silk chocolate, silk very vanilla, and silk pure almond vanilla. Now you may be thinking I went a little overboard, but this week we are substituting all of this for different recipes. So we're going to make pudding and cookies and macaroni and cheese and you name it with silk instead of milk. Now I did take a look when I was at the grocery store because I noticed that a lot of these had little labels like 60 calories or rich in antioxidants or 50% more calcium than milk. So I took a look at the label on my milk container and at the label of my original silk. And I found that as far as calcium, these two are the same. But the one thing that I did find that was different was my 2% milk has more calories than my silk does. And I also noticed that there is less sugar content. There's 6 grams of sugar in silk for 8 ounces, and there's 12 grams of sugar in the 2% glass of 8-ounce milk. Now with the pure almond, I noticed not only is it only 60 calories, but it also has 45% calcium, whereas a 2% glass of milk only has 30% calcium in it. So that's quite a big increase. The pure almond claims on the front of the label to have 50% more calcium, and that is in comparison to a 1% dairy milk. My family drinks 2%, so that's still a 15% increase in calcium. And it only has 60 calories versus the 130 calories that are in the 2% milk. And then with the pure coconut original, I noticed that it had 80 calories. It has less sugar, so does almond milk, and this one has 45% calcium, which is again 50% more calcium than your 1% milk. Now I have poured for myself the dark chocolate pure almond. Now I'm not a huge milk drinker, but I am the only one in my family that does drink milk because the rest of the family is lactose intolerant. However, this is a big switch for them because I've still been cooking with milk. So this week we're not cooking with milk, we're not drinking milk, I'm not drinking milk, so we're switching completely to silk. And they have not been using silk soy milk, they've been using a different brand. So I've poured for myself the dark chocolate pure almond, and I am going to taste it for you and tell you what I think of it. It's not bad. It has a very nutty flavor. It is more watery than milk. I think maybe tomorrow I'll show the consistency between the two, but you can see that it flows thinner than milk does, so that is a little bit of a taste adjustment, but as far as the rest, it tastes great. So this is our first day of our Silk for Milk challenge.